What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I missed you. Did you miss me? I have all my tweezers right here ready to be cleansed, disinfected, and sanitized. I saved them so we could do it together as I explain where the heck I've been. Let me quickly show you guys my OOTD. My top is from Aerie. My jeans are from H&M. Let me put these down. These are my absolute favorite tweezers. I love them so much and I do not want to drop them. And I got these sandals from TJ Maxx. They're so sparkly. I love them. And for jewelry, I have on some silver hoops. I have no rings on, which is so weird, but I do have my Pandora charm bracelet on. I really should be using both of my hands to transfer my tweezers safely, but anything for the shot. This is always the first step whenever I'm cleaning my tweezers. I always submerge the tips of my tweezers into pure acetone. This is by the Lash Co. It's called their tweezer cleaner. It has acetone and some little sponges in here. Two major reasons why you should always start by cleaning the tips of your tweezers with acetone is because if you are creating a fan and there's a little bit of adhesive stuck on the tweezer tip, your fan is not going to be existent. It's going to mess up your fan every single time. You're not going to have perfectly even distributed lash fibers. It's just going to completely mess up the fan. So making sure you are removing any adhesive on your fanning tweezer is a must to create beautiful fans. Duh. And number two, whenever you are isolating and you are trying to remove an outgrown lash, if there's any adhesive on your isolating tweezers, you might tweeze out your client's natural lashes. Just saying. That scared me. A lot of different brands carry these little vessels with acetone and the little sponges. Make sure you don't get rid of this little airtight stopper, because if you do, next time you go use your acetone, it's going to be completely evaporated. So make sure you keep that airtight seal on whenever you're not using it, and you'll be good to go. I believe it's been over a month that you've seen my face here on YouTube, and I am completely embarrassed about that, but so thankful if you are watching this. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here. If you have been following me on Instagram, then you've seen me almost every single day on my stories. Quick update, I'm getting a new lash bed. I did post a reel, so you guys can go check it out to see like what color vibe I'm going for my new lash bed. I'm getting new products, like retail products. I'm so excited for that. Maybe by the time you see this video, it will be on my Instagram. So go check out my Instagram. I have been working on my manual for in-person training, which is so exciting. Every day that I drive to the studio, that's literally all I'm thinking about. I'm running through a in-person training. I go over introduction, then going into how to hold tweezers, how to isolate, how to remove lashes. Am I gonna show them how to create their own business cards? My training, I want it to be more beginner friendly. So that's constantly on my mind. I'm creating my manual. As you guys know, I've been working really hard to get my planner out there, which is coming so soon. I can't believe we are almost halfway through 2024. If you guys don't know, I drop mid-year planners. Last year's planner is about to be done in June, and then I'm going to drop one for July 2024 all the way to June 2025. And what else have I been working on my business? Doing a lot of permanent jewelry. Permanent jewelry has been kicking up lately and I love doing it. It's so much fun. So I have been getting asked to bring in longer chains because I do buy chains smaller quantities, so I'm not able to do a bunch of belly chains. People want necklaces. My chains that I purchase are not that long, so let me show you guys. There is adhesive on my tweezers and you want to go in, let me see, can you see? No, you want to go in and kind of like pinch and maneuver the tweezers in here just for a couple seconds, and then that adhesive should start breaking down and your tweezer is nice and clean. So I do that for a couple seconds just to remove any hardened adhesive on the tips of my tweezers before I start cleansing with some disinfectant soap. This next part I did not share literally anywhere. I kind of gave a little hint when I posted an Instagram story. I said, this is going to be my future home, and I did like a little heart because I am manifesting this one storefront. It's so beautiful, you guys. Like, it's in a beautiful location. Every time I'm on their Instagram, they're having like little local things, pop-ups. They're having running meets because one of our neighbors, I say it like if it's my place already, one of our neighbors sells shoes, and I went into that store, running shoes I mean. I went into that store because I am in my running era. I'm training for a 5K, which is also why I've been kind of MIA, but that's more personal. I'll tell you guys in a little bit. I went in there and there's like so many like bibs and medals. There was a medal that said something about like running 300 miles in 30 hours or something crazy like that. So it's like a really cool store that is so inspiring. There is like restaurants, and it's just like a little plaza that is the cutest. Every month they have like movie nights. There's like a bakery in that little plaza. It's so cute. And I was like this close to like just moving. I was like, I'm going. But I'm like, okay, Jessica, you want to start training, so focus on training here. This was my goal, to get this studio to train and to do a bunch of other things that I need to start focusing on. So I'm like, okay, start here, start, you know, building your curriculum, your students here, and then whenever I do move over there, maybe I'll have students that I can hire, or they could come lash with me in that building, because it's big, guys. It is a big building. I don't know how many square feet it is, but it's big, okay? So I've just been doing the most. I'm also doing a Mother's Day giveaway with one of my hair girl. She cut my hair. She's amazing. I love her. Her name is Val. We're doing a Mother's Day giveaway right now. I've just been trying to, you know, get back in the groove of things. I feel like it's been really hard, like the beginning of this year. Now that I'm in my running era, I have realized, okay, let me quickly talk and stop doing my tweezers so I can look straight into your eyes. Getting back into my running era has completely changed my mindset. I've ran a 5K in the past with no training, literally no training. I ate hot Cheetos 2 seconds before my race, and I still made first place in my age division. But I'm older now, and my sister asked if I wanted to train for a 5K, which is at the end of this month, with her, and I said yes. So I've been training for it, and the first time I completed 2 miles, I was crying, because anytime before that, I would run a mile perfectly fine. Anything after a mile, my brain would shut down. I would talk to myself so negatively, like, stop, you're tired. I was tired. Your leg hurts. It did hurt. You can't do this. And I could do it. You get what I'm saying? So the first time I completed my 2 miles, I was crying because I pushed through the pain. I pushed through my negative mindset, and it completely altered my brain, like my mindset. Like, it just completely changed it. And now I am running 4 miles, which is crazy to say. And all the time that I run, I'm still like, oh my goodness, what are you doing? What are you doing? But I complete it. And it shows me that even though your brain wants you to stop, even though your body is asking for a break, like stop, 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 you can complete this hard task in front of you, and when you're done, you're gonna feel so accomplished. So that just shows me in other aspects of my life that yes, things could get hard, because if you guys have been with me since the beginning, thank you again so much. I appreciate you. You guys know how much I despise editing. It's like the filming is so easy to me because I'm not even looking at myself in the viewfinder. I'm looking at the lens, and I feel like I'm looking at you. And whenever I'm editing, I'm looking at myself, I'm hearing my voice, I'm seeing my double chin, I'm seeing the way my eyebrows are like just so crooked, and it just, I get over myself quickly, okay, quickly. So I just need to get out of that mindset and just push through it. Okay, I need to stop blabbering and get to cleaning my tweezers. I'm actually gonna wrap up now. I feel like I wanted to talk to you guys throughout the process of me cleaning my tweezers and update you guys on what's been going on, but I kind of just like literally spilled my guts and just told you guys all while I was just looking at you. So I hope you guys understand where I've been, what's been going on, and I'm not gonna promise you a new video next week, which I really want to post soon, but I'm glad you're here. Thank you for supporting me. I am just gonna, you know, try my best, and that's all I can really do. And again, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.